When it comes to building a website, choosing the right website builder is crucial. In this tutorial, we will compare 3 popular website builders, Framer, Webflow, and Wix Studio, to help you decide which one is the best for your needs. First, let's start with Framer, a powerful website builder that allows you to create custom and interactive websites. Framer is ideal for designers and developers who want to have full control over their websites. Design and functionality. It offers a wide range of features, including a drag-and-drop interface, responsive design, and integration with popular tools like GitHub and Slack. Next, we have Webflow, a website builder that allows you to create responsive and interactive websites without coding. Webflow is perfect for designers who want to create custom websites without having to write code. It offers a wide range of features, including a drag-and-drop interface, responsive design, and integration with popular tools like Google Fonts and Unsplash. Last but not least, we have Wix Studio, a website builder that allows you to create professional-looking websites without coding. Wix Studio is ideal for small businesses and individuals who want to create a website quickly and easily. It offers a wide range of features, including a drag-and-drop interface, responsive design, and integration with popular tools like Google Analytics and Facebook. So, which website builder is the best? The answer depends on your needs and goals. If you're a designer or developer who wants to have full control over your website's design and functionality, Framer may be the best choice. If you're a designer who wants to create custom websites without coding, Webflow may be the best choice. And if you're a small business or individual who wants to create a website quickly and easily, Wix Studio may be the best choice. In conclusion, each website builder has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the best one for you will depend on your specific needs and goals. By considering your options carefully and choosing the website builder that best fits your needs, you can create a website that is both functional and visually appealing.